Hello, this is Lindsay with Off the Beaten Hook. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate for you how to make a magic circle for your crochet project. I'm going to make a magic circle and crochet 6 into it. Your pattern may call for a different number of stitches. You just follow your pattern in the exact same way, more or less. But I use this technique a lot when I'm doing my amigurumi for the start of heads, start of hands, feet, all kinds of things that need to be started out in a circle. So you're going to take the end of your yarn. You're going to begin just like you would be doing a slip stitch, but you're actually going to be sort of just making a plain old knot. So you're going to pull that end all the way through. So you're going to start with just your basic knot that everybody knows how to make. And you are going to hold it into your hand. You're going to flip it over and you're going to hold it in your hand between your thumb and your index finger. You're going to want to hold it nice and tight because you are going to be pulling stitches through. You want to make sure that your loose end of your yarn, not your starting end, but the loose end where you're going to be using for your actual stitches is coming up through and laying over. Now I hold mine with my my middle finger like this is how I tension it. I will admit that this feels awkward at first, but once you get it down and once you practice, it won't be quite so awkward. But it's just such a different way of holding your yarn than you do with your normal stitches, okay? So you're going to take your crochet hook, you're going to push it through your magic circle, front to back, okay? You're going to pull up, and you're going to yarn over and pull through. This is actually your slip stitch that is going to secure the yarn onto your hook as you crochet 6 stitches or however many into your magic circle. This one doesn't count as a stitch. So now I'm going to be crocheting basically just your normal single crochet stitch into this hole. So rather than going under a stitch, I'm just going into this hole. So you're going to hold it nice and tight. Okay, you're going to go back in to your magic circle. You're going to yarn over and pull up a loop. And what does that look like? That looks like you're about to do a single crochet. So yarn over, pull through both loops. That is your first of the 6 that I'm going to do. Okay, I have to usually adjust this again and again as I kind of turn it and work into it. So I'm going to go for my second, straight into the hole, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over for my second single crochet on my magic circle. Continuing on, 3. I'm going to grab hold of it again, straight through, pull up for 4. Okay, it's kind of coming around the circle here. 5 and 6. Okay, let me show you what this looks like. So you've got 6, you have your end, just pull it a little bit. You've got 6 single crochets along the edge of this circle. Now you're going to take that starting yarn and you are going to grab hold of this and you are going to pull that yarn. And you can see how this sort of half circle becomes a circle. You're going to pull, 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 and it just closes up that circle. And there you have it. And do not be afraid to pull really hard. Your yarn should be strong and close it right up. Okay, so this is where my last single crochet was made. And now I'm going to switch to just tensioning my yarn just like I normally would. And now I have a magic circle made. And what I'm going to do is be crocheting around it just like I would be crocheting into a row, but it just begins a circle all into these little crochets that are now just shaped like a circle instead of a row. I'll go ahead and just do this first one for you so that you can see how it's going to end up looking. So I'm going to just crochet straight into this first stitch, pull up, single crochet. That is how you make a magic circle for your crochet project.
Don't forget to join our website, offthebeatenhook.com, for lots of free patterns, video tutorials, and tons of downloadable essential crochet resources. Happy hooking!